An ideal founding team is usually 2 people, and the 2 people are of 2 different types. So one, you need an inventor, and it's the inventor's job to build the product that's 10 times better than anything that's available to solve that problem. And then you need an entrepreneur. And the entrepreneur's job is to take the market.
Today, chemistry education faces 3 major problems. First, many rural schools simply don't have access to laboratories or equipment. Second, chemical reagents are expensive and often unavailable. And third, many chemical reactions are hazardous and unsafe for students. As a result, students learn chemistry only theoretically, without real experiments. Moreover, American Chemical Society report in 2019 documented a 35% increase in the cost of major reagents. As a result, many educational institutions reduced the number of reagent purchases, leading to a 25% decrease in practical laboratory sessions. So, how the problem can be solved?
So, here's our solution, a virtual chemistry laboratory that allows students to explore science through immersive hands-on experience. Using virtual reality, we turn complex chemical concepts into something more visual, interactive, and easy to understand. This makes chemistry more engaging, accessible, and safe to every student. Students work inside a fully immersive VR environment, and as you can see, they follow step-by-step instructions, similar to real classroom. This ensures experiments are accurate, safe, and as close to real-world conditions as possible. An AI assistant is integrated directly into the laboratory. Students can ask questions at any moment during an experiment, and the AI understands the context of what they are doing and provides relevant answers. After completing each reaction, students watch a short explanation video and then answer test questions. This approach ensures that students don't only practice experiments, but also understand the underlying theory. As a result, our platform becomes a complete and independent learning ecosystem, combining practice, theory, and intelligent support.
The technologies behind our project reflect on emerging global trends. For example, a study by PwC found that VR training can be up to 4 times faster than classroom learning and significantly more emotionally engaging. This can create a culture of learning as doing, not just listening. So why us? Because we're the students who face these problems with ourselves. We studied chemistry without access to real laboratory experiments, and we saw that it leads to a decline in students' motivation and lower subject understanding. Instead of just accepting it, we decided to build a fully equipped virtual chemistry lab and already tested it with the members of our school.
We measure success using simple and practical indicators. We observe how actively students participate during experiments, check understanding through short questions after each activity, and listen to feedback from students.
Their impact by how many students gain access to practical laboratory sessions that was previously unavailable to them. Because the virtual lab does not require consumable materials, its impact is long-lasting and scalable. Once developed, the experiments can be used by many schools over time at no additional cost.
From a structural standpoint, we operate under a free-mind business-to-business model for schools and educational centers. A free tier provides only a limited set of core laboratory experiments, allowing to test and examine the platform. The premium tier provides a full system capability, including advanced chemical reactions, AI-powered assistant, molecular visualization, teacher analytics dashboard, and also a multiplayer mode. Revenue is generated through annual subscription, priced at $1,500.
However, the sustainability also depends on the size of the market. The global virtual laboratories market is estimated at about $1.45 billion in 2025. In Kazakhstan alone, with almost 8,000 schools, the total addressable revenue represents $12 million opportunity. For our first year, with a realistic target of 15 subscriptions, our projected revenue reaches $22,500.